Hey, Taylor, it's great to see you. How have you been?
Hi, Emma. I've been doing well, thank you. And how about you?
I'm good, thank you. So, what line of work are you in or what are you studying these days?
I work in the computer department. How about you, Emma?
I work in marketing, specializing in digital campaigns. How's your day going so far?
It's been pretty busy, but I'm managing. How about you?
Same here. Lots of emails to tackle, as usual.
Tell me about it. Inbox Zero seems like a distant dream.
Taylor, you mentioned you're from Boston, right? How's life there?
Yes, that's correct. The city has this unique blend of history and innovation. And you, Emma, where are you originally from?
I'm a New Yorker at heart. The hustle and bustle of the city is in my blood. Taylor, I'm starving. Would you like to grab a bite to eat? Any cuisine preferences?
How about trying that new Italian restaurant? I heard they have amazing pasta.
Sounds great. Let's go there.
Good evening. Welcome to La Dolce Vita. Here are your menus.
Thank you. Let's take a look, Taylor.
Sure, I think I'll go for the spaghetti carbonara.
Excellent choice. I'll have the margarita pizza, please.
Very well. One spaghetti carbonara and a margarita pizza. Anything to drink?
I'll have a sparkling water, please.
And I'll go for a classic cola.
Sparkling water and a cola. Your orders will be ready shortly.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, Taylor, how was your day today?
It was pretty good. Productive morning at work and a relaxing afternoon.
That sounds nice. My day was a bit chaotic with meetings, but I managed to get some work done.
The joys of a busy workday. At least we can unwind with good food now.
After work or study, we all need some leisure time. Taylor, how do you unwind?
I often catch up with friends over a cup of coffee or enjoy a movie night. In my free time, I'm an avid reader and enjoy exploring new hiking trails.
Reading is a fantastic way to escape into different worlds. I love taking long walks in the park to clear my mind.
Hobbies truly add richness to our lives and help us recharge.
Speaking of unwinding, any exciting plans for the weekend?
I'm planning to go for a hike on Saturday. Nature always recharges me.
That's great. I'm thinking of catching up on some movies and maybe meeting some friends for brunch.
Movies and brunch sound like a perfect combination.
By the way, have you ever been to Europe?
Yes, I went to Italy a couple of years ago. The food and culture were incredible.
Italy must have been amazing. I haven't been to Europe yet, but it's on my bucket list.
You'll love it when you get the chance to go. So much to explore.
Speaking of exploring, have you ever tried sushi?
I'm a big fan of sushi. The combination of flavors is fantastic.
I've never tried it. I'm a bit hesitant about raw fish.
Well, you never know until you try. It's worth giving it a shot sometime. Oh, look, here comes our food.
Here are your spaghetti carbonara and margarita pizza. Enjoy.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Agreed. Bon appetit.
This pizza is amazing. The crust is perfectly crispy.
And the carbonara is so creamy and flavorful. I'm glad we came here.
Me too. And the atmosphere is so cozy.
Absolutely. It's a great place for a relaxing dinner.
I'm getting quite full. How about you?
I agree. I think I'll ask for the bill. Could we have the check, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Taylor, do you want to split the bill?
Sounds good. Let's divide it equally.
All right. Here's my share.
And here's mine. Thanks for joining me for dinner, Emma.
My pleasure, Taylor. The food was delicious.
Agreed. We should do this again sometime.
Definitely. Shall we head out now?
Sounds good. Have a great evening.
You too, Taylor. Take care.